Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you the steps to install the Spyder IDE software on your computer, on your Windows machine. So in order to get started, all you need to do is open up a web browser and type in the Spyder IDE website. So that's spyder-ide.org. And if you're using a Windows machine, you can download it directly from here. If you want to see all the different systems, you can see it right there. So you can select your system, but since I'm using a Windows 11 box, I'm just going to click here to download it. And as you can see, the download has started. We're going to wait until it finishes and then we can move on. Alright, so the download has finished and I'm in my downloads folder. So I'm going to double click on the Spyder icon. And welcome to Spyder. So now it's a very simple standard installation procedure. Just click next, look at the license. It's an MIT open source license. Recommended is installed just for me. You can install it for all users, but there are some caveats to that. So we'll just install it for me in this case. And I'm just gonna leave the default right there. I'm going to create the shortcuts and clear the packages upon completion. Okay, so now the installation has completed and we're going to click next. And now we can just finish the setup. And that's basically it. Now Spyder will open and we can start our session. Alright, and that concludes our installation. Now we have a Spyder running. This is the latest version. It's running Python 3.11.13 with the interactive console IPython 8.37.0. So now we have a live environment where we can do our projects. And in future videos, we're going to explore some of the tools that Spyder gives you so that you can use it. And we'll explore some of the pains here and some of the other tools that come integrated with it, because Spyder IDE is a very powerful tool for running Python projects. Okay, so with that, this concludes this video. Thank you for watching.